Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be using the Milani Foundation. This is that new foundation that everyone has been raving about. This was actually my first time using it and I really like how it held up. We were outside sweating. We did a photo shoot for our engagement photos. This is what that makeup is for. But yeah, I really like how it applied. I did use it with a Real Techniques sponge. I typically use a brush, but I wanted more of a flawless finish, especially because it was going to be up close and personal with the pictures. But for concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. concealer. This is the Camo Concealer. I have been using this for a few months now, and I love how it blends out. It holds up throughout the day. It also does not crease as much, so that's always why I go with that one, and it's so nice because it is so affordable. And also to set my foundation and concealer, I go in with some setting powders. The first one I use is Airbrush, and then I also, and later on in the video, go in with my Maybelline Superstay. It is absolutely amazing. It doesn't let your foundation budge at all, and it puts up with the heat and humidity here in PA. Next, I'm going in with my eyebrows, and I did the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow, and I always use that one. It's the Dip Brow in medium brown. Here, like I said, I am setting my face using that Superstay, and it is one of my favorites as far as giving coverage and setting. Going in with a Morphe palette, I am just doing a warm crease, and I didn't want anything too heavy, just something enough so it picked up like a crease for the pictures. I went in with a warm brown, and then later went on in with a deeper gold shimmer shade all over the lid. So going into contour, I'm using Pretty Vulgar, and it is actually so amazing. You guys can probably see in the video, I'm almost hitting pan. I got it in a BoxyCharm box, and it is such a good bronzer. It's such a perfect undertone. I like to go in with a more chiseled brush to get right into like the cheekbones. I also like to work it up on my forehead, just so it gives that natural shadow that normally you would have. And I really like to bronze up, so I'm here for a minute, bronzing up the skin, trying to give myself some color again. But going in for highlight, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy, and this is the prettiest, I can't stress that enough, highlight. Has the perfect golden shade to it, and it hits the sun so perfectly. And then going in with some mascara on the bottom lashes. I do have lash extensions, but this is the Better Than Sex mascara. Then I'm going in with my red lip today, and that is from Maybelline Superstay as well, and this is in the shade Dancer. This is just a classic red look. I absolutely love using red lipstick. I feel like it helps stand out, and it is one of my favorite go-tos. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully this gives you guys some inspiration if you are getting married or getting your makeup done for any event. But thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next one.